really never bored, but I got a board that I put on all fours and kick it on smooth floors. It's with me on tours, even ride it on stages. Reds in the wheels, but I wasn't set claiming. Clicked up, we ain't tryna be famous. People don't get it, they don't know just what the aim is. Dangerous, what you gonna say to some man who been changed, who know that to die is their gain? Yeah, you know what it's like, you know what it's like. Getting ready for the moment, getting ready for the night when I'm getting.
What's going on? This is Andy Mineo. I'm chilling at my album release party right now for this new album. It's called Heroes for Sale. If you don't got it, you need to go get it. It's available online at Walmarts and all the Christian bookstores, so make sure you check it out. And if you want more information, you can reach me at andymineo.com, facebook.com/Andy Mineo, Twitter/Andy Mineo, Instagram/Andy Mineo. You guessed it. I'm chilling right now with Sound Booth Television. Keep it locked right here. Peace.
Catch me underground on the train riding slow. That's where I compose all my wickedest flows. Being from New York, a wicked at its pros, and it's kind that sends bills high like it's smoke. In the summer uptown, it's like an expo with some expo skin like a triple.